Okay, question number 4. Question number 4 is a letter of complaint. Type the letter of complaint according to the manuscript signs in the document. So your document is a letter of complaint, single line spacing, wait. Instructions just says insert. So we don't have a retrievable file, we have to type this document from scratch. Okay, so we are going to start. Line spacing single. So again, in your document, make sure you are in the Home tab. You go to your paragraph section. Click on your line spacing options. Click on line spacing options again. In this dialog box, we make sure before is 0. After should also be 0. So I'm clicking on the arrow down twice to make sure that both of these are 0. In the line spacing section, I am going to single because it says single. So make sure this is 0, 0 and single. Click on OK. So line spacing has been done. Paper A4 portrait, I don't have to change anything. Font, Courier New 12. So I go, make sure I'm in Home. I go to Font. Click on my font selector. Go down, choose Courier New 12. Go to the size selector, choose 12. Margins 2.54 is done. 2.54 is done. Justification left. So all of that is now applied to my document. Instruction number 1. Insert your examination number and question number as a footer against the left margin as follows. So I go to Insert. I go to Header and Footer section. Click on Footer. And I choose this first one. I go back to Home, change my font to Courier New, change my size to 12, and then I type my examination number and question 4 in the left hand side, all in capital letters, guys. Go back to my document. So this is done. So now I have my document. Right at the top, we are starting with Shimzan radio sales. We have uppercase, so let's make sure our caps lock is on. We type Shimzan radio sales. Okay. Bold, so I'm going to highlight what I have typed and I am going to click on bold. Center, I am going to make it center, so in the paragraph section I click on center and then font size 16. So I go to my font section, click on my size selector and click on 16. Press enter twice, go back left, remove the bold, remove your size 16. Very important to remember. Okay, so we are now going to have to set a tab stop. Let me just remove this blue here, sorry, because it's all over. One straight line. Now we have to set a tab stop. Now guys, they do not specify how far do they want this tab stop to be. There's no centimeters, but we can see that it is a address. An address, we know, or we should know, is at about 12 centimeters into our document. So we are going to go to, make sure you're in your Home tab, go to your paragraph section and then click on this drop down arrow in the corner. Okay, so as soon as you click on that drop down arrow, our paragraph dialog box is open. At the bottom of this dialog box is our tabs button. Click on it and the tab window is now open. So we are going to type in the tab stop position, we type in 12. Alignment we leave say left. Leader we leave as none. And we click on set. Make sure that 12 centimeters is now in this big open window. Click on OK. So then we press tab and then we type 2 Blackburn Avenue. Clearly my tab stop is wrong. I am going to go back to this, go back to that, change it to 10. Yes. Okay, so make yours 10 from the get-go, just to be safe. Press enter, press tab. Type Johannesburg, all in capital letters. Press enter, press tab. 2001, press enter twice. Insert today's date. So today's date is the 13th July 2021. Press enter twice. And then we have this address. So remember, this first address is the sender's address. The second address is the receiver. So we have the manager at Telecom Techno Hub, 17 Luxton Road, Johannesburg, again all in capital letters, 2001. Press enter twice. Dear Madam, then we have our header or our heading, which must be spelled correctly, uppercase and bold. So I am going to put on my caps locks, and then I'm already going to click on the bold icon. So complaint, double colon, PABX system, and then faulty is the one that is spelled wrong, so you can just type it correctly. PABX system faulty. Press enter twice, remove your bold again, and then you can type your paragraph. Our institution has over the years had a long and happy association with your organization. Full stop. Press enter twice. That's what that one means. So on 2 November 2016. Okay, so the dates don't now make a lot of sense, but it's fine. Our institution placed an order for So 20 is underlined, and on the side it says in full. So we write the word out in words. We write the number out in words. For 20, bulk, PABX, systems, with your company as part of the yearly upgrade rollout of software. Full stop, enter, enter. Second page. So this question is a lot of typing on your side. That is why you need to be able to type 25 words per minute. Unfortunately, upon receipt of the order, we found that 10 of the PABX systems were scratched. The system initially looked in, and then we have a state. We have immaculate and perfect, but the one that's underlined is perfect. So that's the one that we type. Perfect condition. We switched the systems on and waited for the power light to light up, and again after. So there is our insert sign, and this says replace with 1 hour. So instead of typing 60 minutes, we say after 1 hour, no avail. We have a run on. So this with that means run on. So the defect could possibly just be a minor malfunction. Press enter twice. Please arrange to collect these products as a matter of urgency. Press enter twice. Thank you for your and then there's an insert sign and there's a dash. So we insert the dash, operation. Thank you for your cooperation, full stop, enter twice. Yours faithfully, 1, 2, 3, 4, all in caps, Paul Sawyer. Okay, and then that is question 4 for 50 marks. Again, you will be marked according to all the blue thingies. All of these manuscript signs, guys, are in our textbooks. We need to make sure that we read our textbooks and not just hope for the best. Okay, so state and replace and RO, They are all in our textbooks. We need to go and learn these. So again, you're going to go to File, Save As, choose your spot. So I'm saving all my things on the desktop. So this is then question 4, exam number, save, and then go to File, go to Print, and print your document. Close it when you're done, and then go on to question number 5.